In this video, I'll show you an AI agent that takes a product URL and a simple idea and turns it into high quality image and video ads. It creates the AI character, music, voices, the different scenes. It makes sure everything is consistent throughout the whole video and there are no logical errors. And this even works for longer videos like 60 seconds or more. You don't need to hire anyone, you don't need to edit videos or manage many different AI models. The agent takes care of all of this, and it automatically applies best practices like strong hooks and call to actions. In this video, we will try it out with different products and different ad styles. We will make UGC videos, cinematic videos, street interviews, animations, and we will even let it do a competitor research to find out what works in our industry and then clone these ads with a single click but put our unique spin on it. This will save you so much time and work. You need to check this out. My name is Florian Walter and this is the AI Tool Corner, where I review the latest AI software to find out which ones can actually improve our lives and businesses. So we have a bunch of different tools available. I actually cover them in separate videos. For now we only care about the agent, which makes videos for us. Here we can attach a product, either by creating one manually, but this is tedious. Instead we can also let the AI scrape a product link, for example to Amazon. Let's say we want to make an ad about these boxing gloves. I copy the link, paste it here, and the AI extracted a product name, category, description, images and videos it could find on the page, everything. We can clean this up a bit. Let's remove the images that have a different color to not confuse the AI. Let's create a product and attach it to the agent chat. Then we give it a prompt. I've prepared one. You don't have to write a big prompt. A simple idea is enough. The agent can come up with a video concept itself. You can be as elaborate or as basic as you want here. I wrote, create a 30-second UGC influencer ad featuring a Gen Z guy trying the boxing gloves. Then he highlights the material and the good fit and durability. And then for a comedic twist, he tries out the gloves on his grandma, accidentally knocking her out. I also added some additional instructions for consistency across these clips. I found that this gives better results. For example, make sure the gloves look the same in every clip, so we have perfect consistency. We can also attach additional files if needed, and we will talk about connectors, skills, and this workflow tab later. We keep Pro mode selected to get the highest quality output, and Plan mode, so the agent will ask for confirmation before generating anything, which saves us credits. And the agent does a bunch of work. It analyzes the product images, it generates the AI personas, even background music. Then it comes up with a video concept and a storyboard. And if we like this storyboard, we can confirm it to continue to the next step. And the agent has memory. It remembers your past decisions and this way gets better over time. Then it generates the starting frames, and again we can confirm them if we are happy, but I actually want to make a change because I think the boxing gloves look a bit too big, too lengthy in the first frame. The other ones look good and it's gonna be funny. So instead of confirming this right away, I'm gonna tell the AI, regenerate frame 1, the boxing gloves look a bit too big, keep everything else as it is. Send this. And because we have this confirmation step before generating videos, we don't waste credits with bad generations. The agent also analyzes its own output and corrects mistakes automatically. For example, here in scene 3, this strap was wrong because here it's already closed and here's an additional strap, and it detected this mistake and regenerated the frame until it looked good. And if all the starting frames look good, we can confirm it and generate a video. If there's anything here you don't like, just tell the AI to fix it. Looks good to me. And here is the final video. Let's check it out.
Yo! The brand new Venom Contenders just showed up and I am hyped. Premium synthetic leather, super durable, holds up to daily training, still looks brand new. Full hook and loop wrist strap locks your whole wrist in place. The fit is genuinely unreal. Multi-layer foam padding. Even grandma wants a turn.
I think the video is amazing. It's over 30 seconds long and it still has perfect character and voice consistency. It has background music,
Premium synthetic leather,
captions, and these social media style text overlays like the CTA here at the end to buy this product on Amazon, and this hook in the beginning. This glove review goes very wrong. I think the quality is amazing, and we can now download this video and post it to social media. Here is another one I made earlier.
So I found this in my grandpa's attic. He swears it's a Game Boy. Look at this screen. It's literally just tiny squares pretending to be a game. So many squares. And you press actual buttons? My thumbs have only known touch screens. This is basically a gym workout. No charging port? You feed it 2 AA batteries? Like a TV remote from the Stone Age. Okay, but the colors, the little click, I kinda get it now. This thing's actually iconic.
To make this, I attached a few images of the Game Boy Color and I gave it this prompt. 30-second UGC influencer ad. I told the agent to make it a bit sarcastic and make her make fun of it, like the pixels, the physical buttons, and the fact that you still have to insert batteries. Keep a stark contrast between the young Gen Z influencer and the old console. Then it went ahead and created the AI influencer, fitting background music, which has this very game-like feel to it. I think it's perfect. But then in the starting frames we had some problems. In some frames the size was off, so the Game Boy had different sizes, and here it looked really weird. I told it to fix it. It created new starting frames. These ones looked perfect, and again I saved credits by not generating the video right away. Instead we generate the starting frames first, and if they are not perfect we fix them. In the first video there was still a problem. Here she opens the battery slot of the Game Boy and it looks completely off. So I simply searched for an image of the battery slot on Google. I attached it to the chat and told the agent that this is how it's supposed to look, please fix it. And in the final video it then looked perfect, just from an input image and a little prompt. Here are a few more examples. This cinematic ad.
Every supplemented aisle is full of lies. Artificial junk dressed up in flashy cans, promising the world. Wizbolo is different. Ghana's Sowalo brew, ginger-fired, hibiscus-packed. The cleanest pre-workout energy you'll ever taste. Crack the seal. One deep crimson pour of real hand-brewed fuel. No powders, no chemicals, nothing fake.
Wizbolo, handcrafted in Accra, built for the iron. No crash, no chemicals, just gains, naturally.
So you can make many different types of videos. Here I made a street interview for an energy drink.
Got a drink nobody's tried. Ginger, hibiscus. Take a sip, tell me what you taste.
What hits you first? Whoa, ginger's strong, warm going down. Tart too, not too sweet.
Honestly, what do you make of it?
That's proper ginger. Real bite. Tastes like real Cibolo, not too sweet.
Same reaction every time. That's Wizbolo. Find out what yours does.
Then I made an ad for my favorite TV show, The Boys. I gave the agent this image and a very simple prompt. Make an ad for The Boys by briefly showcasing each of the attached characters and their superpowers. I also told it to do an internet research to understand each character. And it created an amazing video in one attempt.
In a world where heroes answer to no one, meet the 7, Starlight. She channels raw light into blinding, devastating energy. The Deep, Master of the Oceans, Commander of the Sea. Queen Maeve, unbreakable strength forged for the battlefield. Homelander, flight, laser eyes, and absolute terrifying power. Black.
Yeah, I think we don't have to watch the whole thing. And then, super cool, I told the agent to take the same video and turn it into its comic version.
In a world where heroes answer to no one, meet
So this is pretty much the exact same video, just as a comic.
the 7, Starlight. She channels raw light into blinding, devastating energy.
Looks pretty
The
good.
Deep, Master of the Oceans, Commander of the Sea.
You get the idea. And I did this by just attaching the old video, and I told the agent to turn this exact video into its comic style version. So you can do this with any video. If you want to try it out yourself, the link to Creatify is in the video description. Now in a minute I will show you how you can easily clone your competitors' ads and how to create beautiful image ads, so stay tuned. First, I quickly want to show you the editor. So we can open this video in the editor. And here we can modify everything. We can change the prompt for each scene, regenerate a scene. We can use a different avatar, change the caption style or the background music. We have a version history up here where we can see all our changes. And when you are finished, you just click on render and you get a brand new video. Of course, you can also just tell the agent to make a change. For example, replace the hook for a different one or create variations for A/B testing. The agent also asked us if we want to save this workflow as a reusable skill. Skills are saved instructions that we can then later reuse to create a similar video. There are a bunch of default skills like UGC videos, gaming videos, and our own ones. I created one earlier called Talking Head Caption B-Roll. This skill takes an avatar video and it adds B-roll, captions, and music to it. We created the skill in my Creatify avatar video. I will put a link to it into the video description below, check it out next. The agent will also decide when to use which skill automatically, so you don't have to mention them in the chat explicitly. The agent can make a decision when to use our talking head skill, for example. Connectors are integrations. For example, we can give the agent access to Google Drive to automatically pull assets from there or save the finished videos there. We can have it send messages to Slack or Microsoft Teams, and there are a bunch more integrations that you can check out. We can also post our video directly to social media directly from inside the platform. And we can leave comments if we work with a team. The agent can also create image ads. Let's attach the same product. And down here we have some prompt suggestions. For example, create an Instagram carousel ad set for the attached product. The agent asks us some questions back. How many slides do we want? Let's create 5. Who's the primary audience for this ad? Gym, fitness crowd. What tone and goal should the creatives hit? Motivational. Again, we get a storyboard that we can confirm, and our Instagram carousel is ready. These images are super high quality, look very professional. If you want a different aspect ratio, just tell the AI to create them as a square, for example. I think these look amazing. The colors are sick. We can now download these images and post them on Instagram. The agent can even do a competitor research for us. For example, show me what ads my competitors are running for boxing gloves / equipment. Again, I attach the product, send this, and let's see what we get. So the agent searched platforms like TikTok and Instagram and gave us popular videos in our niche with a ton of views. Let's check them out. I'm gonna turn off the music to not get copyright flagged. But she is basically just showcasing the gloves on her bed. Now where it gets really interesting, we can now add this video as a reference to the chat and tell the AI, let's copy this ad for our own boxing gloves. Then I attach the product and send this. Again, the agent analyzed the input, it created background music, a storyboard, starting frame, and the final video. For comparison, this was the original. I'm gonna turn off the music again, and this is about 10 seconds long, and it just shows these boxing gloves under this warm light, and there's also this emoji here. Pay attention to these details. So we gave this to the AI agent and it generated a very similar video for our own boxing gloves. Let's check it out. We also have an emoji here. Okay, the emoji looks a bit broken, but the text is good and we have the same kind of lighting. I think the lighting and the video quality are amazing. Nice. And now we have a clone of an ad that has already proven to work because this has almost 6 million views with our own product and in our own style. We will not get any copyright issues here because this is our own video with our own custom background track generated by the AI, and we can just download this and post this. And this saves you so much time and effort because you can just let the AI analyze what already works in your industry and then generate variations of these videos. I think this is incredible, and this is how advertising should mostly be done these days. Creatify also has this competitor tracker feature where you can follow brands and always see what they've been posting on social media and how these videos performed, and then you can clone these videos with a single click for your own products. I have a separate tutorial on this in the video description below, check it out. If we need more fine control, we can switch to the workflow mode. Again, we can give the agent instructions on what we want to create, but instead of the finished video, it creates a workflow that consists of different AI generators like image and video generators. And here we can make tweaks manually by replacing or adding nodes. We can also use the AI chat on the right to let the agent make changes for us. I have a separate tutorial on this workflow feature. I will put a link into the video description below. Check it out next. I will put a link to Creatify into the video description below. Try it out yourself and let me know in the comments what cool ads you made with it. Then click on this end card here to see more cool Creatify features.